On July 12, 1997, 17-year-old Adam and his dad went flying in his dad's Cessna as they embarked on a trip from Fort Worth to Dallas. Unfortunately, Adam had the attention span of a gerbil and always needed something to occupy his time. I guess flying got pretty old pretty fast for him. 5 minutes into the flight, Adam decided to reach for his backpack to get his Rubik's Cube he brought with him everywhere he went since he was 5. His backpack was in the back seat of the plane. He unbuckled his seatbelt and tried to reach, but couldn't quite make it. So he got up out of his seat and stretched out so he could rifle through his backpack for that damn Rubik's Cube. In doing so, Adam somehow managed to undo the lock of the passenger door. The door swung open and Adam got sucked out of the plane. At least he managed to get a hold of his toy. As the accident occurred, the plane was at 10,000 feet. Adam had less than a minute, separating him from his death. And you know what? He got bored again, so he turned to his Rubik's Cube and started fiddling with it. While doing that, he became so immersed in the task at hand that he stabilized his body and slowed down his velocity. His body self-steered through the air, if you will. With moments away from certain death, he thought he will never going to be able to solve the cube. What seemed to him like minutes later, he slammed through the roof of a barn into a haystack, breaking through the upper floor of the barn and finally landing on the dirt floor. He thought he was going to die, no doubt. Breathing was difficult and he drifted in and out of consciousness. The owner of the barn, who heard the ruckus, came to check on the noise and found Adam still fiddling with his cube. He couldn't believe what just happened. To his surprise, Adam responded to him that he just fell out of a plane. An ambulance was called and the 17-year-old boy was flown out on a helicopter to the nearest hospital. Miraculously, he only sustained minor injuries like broken ribs, legs, and cut wounds. Adam underwent surgery for his broken bones immediately. He stayed in the hospital for 10 weeks, but was ultimately okay with no internal damages to his body, and was released 3 weeks before his 18th birthday. The only thing he regretted about the incident was that he could not solve the Rubik's Cube in time. What would you do in a situation like that? Would you panic or would you keep a cool mind like Adam and try to alter your fate? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing?